Hey, hi there. This is Dr. Michaela Steven here to help you to age healthily. Now, today I was pretty at rest and not at work today, and I was pretty inspired by a few words that I wanted to share with you guys today. Now, what came into my brain was this, and this is one little key you need to put in your life every day to be able to give more shape to your life, okay, and more sense to your life. Now, it has to do with love. Now, love is the key to healthy aging. Love is the key to wealth, health, and success. If your brain can learn, especially with love, for anything that exists around you, that is, if you put love before everything you learn around you, that is, you do everything with love, then you are 90% closer to being happy forever. Now, this is one experience I have and I still have, and I practice that every day, and that helps me a lot. So actually, that's why I'm doing this video, because if you're watching me right now, then it's because you were supposed to be here this time, and he's listening to what love is all about. It's not by coincidence. Okay, now if you can maintain this love and share this love with people, then you are already complete. Okay, it makes you really, really complete, and you will fill your life with peace and fill the lives of other people too with more serenity and love. So do not resist to love, because love is all you need. All right. Now, love is the only way I know to transform my weaknesses, especially my weaknesses, not yours, into a unique weapon that only brings more positivity in your lives, and especially in my life, brings in more spirituality too, and success. Many people want success, but they're not ready to give love. You have to give, and everything starts by giving. So if you give, you will get back. So love is the only way I know to reach my objectives with ease, and the only way I can create my destiny. Love is the only way I know how to grow my brain, most especially. And if I learn everything with love, I know I will learn better, faster, and memorize even better, and age healthily. So love is the only way I know. I can see through you and see everything that I cannot see. I think that makes sense, right? So start practicing that love every day. And if you really want to reach that success, if you really want peace and serenity in your life, you need to start by yourself. So start loving yourself. And then you can give love to others, right? So if you love this video, if you love this poem most especially, you can click like and subscribe for the next videos. And I'll see you guys on the next videos. If you have any questions, please write in the comments below, and I'll be ready to help you grow your mind.